Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC I got a 2016 Kia Sedona. We're going to go over how you replace these lights and the assemblies, but mainly the lights. So this is your tail light, or the inner tail light. This is the outer tail, and this is also the brake. So when you hit the brake, this one will illuminate brighter. This is the blinker, and this is your reverse backup light. And on the side here, we have a side marker light. So to replace these, we need to raise the hatch. So as we raise the hatch, there is a cover that goes here, and this just snaps in, so you just gotta pop it off and slide it up. And then when that's removed, then there's two bolts that you remove here, and then you would wiggle and jostle this out to remove it, or to pull it out to get access. So these two prongs here, they stick into right here, and so that will hold the light in, so it takes a little bit to get it to pull out. So once you've got it pulled out, and if you were to have the light this way and then you flipped it back around, this is your blinker, tail light, and a side marker light right here. So to replace the blinker, you just pull this out. You're going to twist it a quarter turn to the counterclockwise. You do the same thing with the light bulb itself, and then you would get a new one, and this is the blinker. So then you put it back in. Now, because this is a double element light bulb, you're going to have one prong here that's longer than the other side, and so it will only go in one way to properly work. And when you're done doing that, then you get it lined up in there. Quarter turn to the right to tighten it up. That's how you replace your blinker on your 2016 Kia Sedona. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.